Hi, and welcome back to our instructional videos. In this episode, we'll show you how to install and launch the Hideez client application for the first time. You can download the application right from our website hideez.com. Just click on Support, select Hideez key, and then select your language. Here's the page where you can download the latest version of the Hideez client application. Just click on the link and wait a bit until the download is completed. So far, there is only one Hideez client version which is designed for Windows. Other operating systems are not yet supported. Once we have the file, we can start the installation process. Before we start our work with the application itself, we have to set a couple of important parameters. The first parameter is the choice between the standalone and enterprise versions. In this video, we will look at the standalone version, which is intended for personal use, and we will consider the corporate version later. The second parameter is the type of connection. There are two options, either with an external USB Bluetooth dongle that has to be plugged into the USB port, or with your computer's built-in Bluetooth. These two options work a little bit differently, so in this manual, we will consider working with a dongle, so we check this option. And we also have to agree with the license agreement, so we check this box and click on Install and wait until the installation is completed. Alright, once our application is installed, click on the Launch button, and we will see a small Hideez client icon that has appeared in a system tray near the clock. It allows us to open our application from right here, and the Hideez client application will also be started automatically every time you turn the computer on. The Hideez client application consists of three main parts. This is the main part, a client application that can be launched from here. The second part is a service that is installed in the system and can be found in the list of the services. It has the same name, Hideez service. And the third part is a credential provider, an application that allows us to log into the computer. It is displayed on a logged computer. Right now, we can see the Hideez credential provider icon on the screen.